Welcome to this walkthrough of InitusMigrate, the powerful data migration tool by Initus Technologies. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, managing data effectively is more critical than ever. Whether you're upgrading a system, transitioning to the cloud, or migrating platforms, InitusMigrate simplifies this complex process. Today, we'll take you through an overview of InitusMigrate, exploring its capabilities and how it ensures a streamlined data migration experience. Data migration often involves downloading, processing, and uploading data manually, leading to inefficiencies. With InitusMigrate, we eliminate these pain points by offering a structured, secure, and collaborative approach. InitusMigrate is part of the Initus Technologies Toolkit, providing advanced data migration with AI-driven automation, structured workflows, and access control. To begin, let's see the details of a real ongoing project. Let's open the tab that leads us right to the connection details. Select the project and open the three dots menu to edit the connection parameters. Here you will see the full information related to API, consumer key, account ID, and tokens. Once we have set up the connection details, we can create a project. In this example, let's use our TGS data migration project to see the project configuration features. Click the three dots and then Edit. Here you can define the connections you'll use, assign team members, and set permissions. This ensures seamless collaboration with clear access controls. Let's go back. Now we are entering the migration project. First, let's create a data element. Click on Create. A data element represents the specific records you want to migrate. Here, we set the source and target systems. Then, set the source system data criteria for accurate records extraction. Once we define the data element criteria, InitusMigrate allows you to select the specific fields you require to extract for an object. In this example, we will simply move all the fields contained in Salesforce's accounts. Now that we're done, we can save our data element and proceed with the extraction process. Before extracting data, InitusMigrate will indicate where you're extracting the data, the record type, and the number of records the extraction will handle based on your data element criteria. By clicking on Extract, the process will automatically start. With InitusMigrate, you can also kick off migration projects straight from a CSV file. Here's a quick look at how it's done. From the Data Elements page, let's create a new record using the option Create via CSV. Add a record reference name to identify the record later. You can give a description to remember the details of the file you're importing. Choose your target connection and the corresponding record type. Let's upload this. In seconds, your file is loaded successfully in InitusMigrate. Every data element generates a datasets. Datasets are data tables where you can validate the data quality and structure. The datasets allow advanced filtering using multiple criteria. Datasets also support records editing and AI duplicate detection. Let me clear the filter. Now, let's map our data. This is where AI does the heavy lifting instantly, analyzing and mapping every field between source fields and target field systems with precision. As you can see, the data was automatically mapped and structured accordingly. See on the left the source fields from the CSV and right on the right tab, their corresponding match on target fields for a Salesforce lead record. We also offer advanced mapping rules where you can generate different combinations between fields, other data tables, and, lastly, incorporate custom code formulas. Now, let's transform our dataset with our mapping rules. Let's save this mapping and create a data proposal. Click on Generate to start the transformation process. At this stage, InitusMigrate collects the data extracted from our source or imported via CSV and transforms it utilizing the mapping rules we have just created. Once the data proposal is ready, we can take a closer look at the transformed data. This is the representation of the data that will be migrated to the target system. InitusMigrate allows users to import specific records from the tables in case it is required. For this case, let's select the first two records. Choose the option Upload Selected Rows. Once validated, we click on Generate and execute the migration. The result? A smooth, error-free migration. That's a wrap on our walkthrough of InitusMigrate. Whether you're handling simple data, transfers, or complex enterprise migrations, InitusMigrate is your trusted technology partner. Ready to get started? Contact us today and let's help streamline your data migration process.